how to add a thumbnail to YouTube Shorts. So first, you're going to head over to YouTube, and then from here, you're going to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, you're just going to tap on your videos, and then once you're on your videos, you're just going to head over to the Shorts tab. Now, one thing to note is that YouTube Shorts do not support custom thumbnails for a long time, but the feature has been rolling out gradually. So again, once again, to access it, you're just going to head over to Shorts tab, and then from here, you're just going to tap on any shorts that you want to change the thumbnail of. And then from here, you're going to tap on the three dots icon right here at the top right corner of the screen, and then you're just going to tap on edit from the drop down menu that'll appear. From the edit menu or the edit details tab, you're just going to tap on the pencil icon right here at the top left corner of the thumbnail itself that you can find right there. Now, once you click on that, you can either upload a photo that you want to use or select a frame from the video. For example, this is the frame that I want to use as a thumbnail. I'm just going to tap on the save button right here at the top, which looks like a check mark. And then once you click on that, you can see that the changes will be saved right here. If you're interested, then I will link the product link down below.